While millions are still waiting for their stimulus check, the IRS has been sending checks, we've learned, to dead people. If you've received one for a relative who's died, the IRS wants the money back. But as a viewer pointed out, it's not always that simple. I-Team reporter Brian New with his question and an answer.
The IRS was in such a rush to get these stimulus checks out that it began sending them before identifying some of these issues, including this one that was brought to our attention by Bain of Midlothian.
I'm making this video on behalf of my mother-in-law and father-in-law who received a $2,400 stimulus check made out to both of them. My father-in-law passed away on March the 5th, so therefore they are only due the $1,200 that is owed to her. You could answer how she gets her $1,200. I would be greatly appreciative to Channel 11 News.
So what the IRS is asking widows to do is deposit the check and then send the IRS a personal check for the amount that was intended to the spouse who has died. So in this case, they're asking you to deposit the $2,400 check and then send the IRS a personal check for $1,200. The problem we've heard from several viewers is they can't deposit that check because it's in both of their names. We spoke with a legal tax professional. He told us if a bank will not deposit the check, you may have to get what's called a letter of testamentary from your local probate court. That way you can cash the check. As for those still waiting for their stimulus check, you have until tomorrow at 11 a.m. to go online to the IRS website and enter your bank account information. After tomorrow, the IRS will be taking all files without bank account information and will be sending them to have paper checks printed. It will likely be June before many of these paper checks arrive. If you have questions, shoot us a video question like Jay did to CBS11money@ktvt.com. With the I-Team, Brian New, CBS 11 News.